is Vaibhav Govind Bhattese. My student code is FS39_32107. I am going to show you the code base of the project event planner that I have been created. So this is the project code. So I used Vite for the project platform uh, with React.js, and I use Tailwind CSS for styling uh, to create an UI. So first of all, this is my app.jsx file. I used React Router DOM for navigation between files and pages. So there is user authentication and event provider. There are two context API that I used for authentication and database purpose. I use Firebase. From Firebase, I initialize from Firebase from this file firebase.js. So get auth is used for Firebase authentication, and get firestore is used for storage purpose of user data. So these are two fields I used, and most of that most of the user data are stored in Firestore. Only image is saved, images for the user events that user will be creating, that will store on storage. But for now, Firebase didn't give me the permission for storing images or media data because it requires purchase of Firebase uh, premium packages. So for now, I didn't use Firebase storage that much. So if we go to the authentication page, as you can see, the queries I have done, like create context. This is a context page, auth context for authentication of user. So this is the code base on the authentication. This is a sign up code for user, and this is a login, and this is login code and logout code. Login is done by Firebase automatically by sign in with email and password query. Logout is done by Firebase also by sign out query, and update profile. I mean create with sign up is done by create with user and email and password. So this is the query is run by Firebase directly. So the email and password can be created. So as per the delete account is also the same. We just have to delete token, delete user to it directly run from Firebase. And if we want to get user, I mean some user detail from user from Firebase, so we just have to pass user ID, and existing user will be uh, returned to in form of data. Whatever the user detail will be is the written in the form of snapshot uh, doc snap. So this is the whole authentication context page. So I am passing here current user, user profile, sign up, login, logout, delete account, get user profile. So these are only values that I am passing through auth context. And for the event context, I passing events, what are the total events are, loading when the events loading is in form of boolean value, create event value, update event value, delete event value, the event who are attending or not attending, maybe these values, I mean count of the users who are attending event. Then get user events, uh, the the events related to specific user who created that event. This passed by get user event. Get upcoming events, which is uh, which show you that upcoming event what will be. And get past event, which will show you the event based on the dates. These both are based on date of the event, which is past or upcoming. So these are passed by event context provider. So these are context. And so this is hooks that I created for mobile and other. I used Lovable AI to create create code for my project. So this is a create event page code. As you can see, there are some field for creating image, creating event, title, description, date, time, location coordinates, category, is public or not, and image for the event. So these are some things that I have passed for creating event. Same for here, editing event. Those field you passed from create event, you can edit them here. Handle change is the function to edit. Then event details page, by which you can see those details you passed uh, from creating event. You can see in event details page. So here are some components that I have created: event image, event header, social share. So these are components that I have been passed to create an event. I mean to see the event details. So this is the events page where you can see the total events that uh, people or users are created. And here you can search events by their name. Here you can filter events by category: all events, upcoming events, past events. This is the query for filtering events. Here is the home page uh, where you can see view all events, view details, and then upcoming events as same as shown in events page. So this is a normal decoration for a dashboard. This is a dashboard page, home page. So yeah, this is all code of my. This is the login page. From the login is given get from auth user, from auth context. So user will log in with email password, and if there is an error, the error will be set and loading will be false, and then login will be going to successful. And this is the login query, and this is the form for login. Same for sign up. This is same as login page. So this is a profile page after that, by which you can see, by which you can delete account. You can see the current event you have created, and the events you don't want to I mean you are attending, you can see from uh, the current event, I mean profile page. So that's all for the code base of my project. Thank you.